Good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the Home Weather Office on this Thursday morning. It is now the 22nd day of February 2024. This is the morning briefing coming to you from my Home Weather Office, and as I look out the window of the Home Weather Office, I don't even see a cloud out there. It's a beautiful morning. There is some fog in the valley. That will burn off to also a terrific day. We do have some dry weather coming up. However, we'll look ahead to our next chance of some rain and snow, looking like it's going to be centered more on Monday. And while it doesn't look like this will do much for the valley in terms of rain, it does look as though we could see some pretty good Sierra snow. And again, this is going to be coming up on Monday. So let's show you what's happening this morning. A couple of things on the satellite. One, right in here, you can see this area of fog just as the sun's coming up. There are a couple of high clouds going by, and that little area of fog looks like it's mostly into the Delta and San Joaquin County and parts of Sacramento County. That will be burning off. We also have little bits of fog down here into the San Joaquin Valley. And then all of this, of course, is that beautiful snow in the Sierra. And the Sierra snowpack is doing great. We're up to about the northern Sierra is at 100% of average for this time of year. The southern and central Sierra are around 80 or higher percent of average for this time of year. We're doing good despite that slow start that we had to the season. This is an area of cloud cover that is not coming our way. It's just going to kind of spin around off the coast the next few days. We'll see some clouds from time to time, but we are into a dry pattern. So with that, let's go to the NAM, the North American model. And as we go through the day today, as you can see, we don't have anything in the way of rain. There is that area of cloud cover off the coast, but not coming our way. For the day on Friday, we're also in really nice shape. Temperatures in the valley getting into the 60s, and Saturday should be a beautiful day. Sunshine, temperatures in the mid-60s. Once again, there could be some valley fog first thing in the morning, but we're getting a higher sun angle now, so we're getting to the time of year where fog burns off quite nicely. And then as we get into the day on Sunday, over the last couple of days, we've been talking about on our 7-day forecast, we've been having a little rain icon on there on Sunday. Yeah, we might have to take that out completely because this is Sunday morning and this is Sunday afternoon. It looks as though the chance of showers coming through is going to be late Sunday night and into the day on Monday. This is as far out as the NAM goes, and it's this little area coming our way. So this is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. As you can see, there's no rain in the valley. There's no snow in the Sierra. So, yeah, if you have outdoor plans Sunday, that's going to be fine. It'll just be a little cooler and cloudier than what we'll see on Saturday. But yeah, when you see rain on Sunday, it's really not going to be that great. Let me show you the way the GFS shows it. I'll pick it up here on Saturday. And again, I just showed you the NAM as far as it goes. The GFS goes out farther in time, but doesn't have the same sort of resolution. And this is Sunday evening. This is Sunday at 10 o'clock. So, yeah, there's some sprinkles here. There may be some snow flurries in the Sierra. So that's why I say we may end up having to take rain out of the forecast on Sunday completely. But, and I'm talking about what we do with our 7-day forecast, and we kind of agonize over, what icons to put on there. So we're just talking about, the semantics here. The bottom line is if you have outdoor plans on Sunday, it's going to be just fine. Now, this is Monday morning at 7 a.m. Two things going on. We have this bit of moisture coming up from the south. That's what we see here. But more importantly, we have this cold air dropping down from the north. Watch how this area drops down from the north and it drags down colder air. And by colder air, these lines, these dashed lines, these that are blue and then red, these are what we call thickness lines. It's the amount of distance between the 1,000 millibar level and the 500 millibar level. Call them thickness lines. And if you want, you can just kind of, as a general term, you can think of the red ones are the warmer air and the blue ones are the colder air. And so watch as we go from Monday morning, watch these blue lines that are up along the Oregon state line, that as we go through the day on Monday, this is Monday evening, that those blue lines are all the way down past Sacramento. So that's colder air coming in and delivering snow to the Sierra. We'll have chain controls up in the Sierra throughout much of the day on Monday, especially Monday afternoon and evening, with a snow level probably dropping down to as low as 3,000, certainly 4,000 feet, but we may see snow as low as 3,000. That's a detail we can sort out in the next day or so. And then the cold air sticks around on Tuesday, but we dry out. And then the rest of next week does look dry until maybe we get into the day on Friday. This is Thursday of next week. And then looks like that next system may hold off until next Saturday. That's Saturday morning right there, March 2nd. So we can deal with that later. So want to kind of highlight again this. So as this rolls in on Monday morning, we're just starting to get some light snow. But with that colder air coming in, it starts to squeeze out all the available moisture. And even though there will only be 1 or maybe 2/10 of an inch of rain in the valley, we could see some really good snow in the Sierra. And for that, let me show you the GFS snow accumulation. And as we pick it up on Monday morning, see, this is Monday morning at 7 a.m. There's just a little bit of snow. Then by the evening, we have, depends on where you mouse over this. When I do this, I usually toss out the high and toss out the low. So that says 6.5. That says 22. We could get, let's say, a foot of powder during the day on Monday. Well, actually, Monday afternoon, Monday night. But again, that's the sort of detail we can sort out in the next couple of days, is how much snow we're going to get and just how low it's going to get. But the bottom line here on this Thursday morning is that Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and most of Sunday, terrific. Fine to do anything outdoors. There may be a little bit of fog in the valley, and certainly no problems traveling through the Sierra. We'll continue to fine-tune how much rain, how much snow we're going to see on Monday. It doesn't look like a storm, doesn't look like we're going to see, thunderstorms or high winds or anything like that, but it does look as though it's going to turn colder for the first part of next week, and we'll see enough snow for chain controls, and again, that'll be during the day on Monday. So that's everything I've got for you this morning on this beautiful Thursday morning. Get out and enjoy it. Get in some sunshine. We haven't had a whole lot of that lately. I'll be on TV tonight at 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11. In the meantime, make it a great day. I'll talk with you later.